What's up, Woodies, and welcome back to my wood shop. Today I am going to be making a storage box for my camper, like this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is super simple and it's going to be great because I need more storage in my camper. I think we all do. So stick around. It's a little cold in the shop right now, but I think we'll warm it up, maybe take a few layers off. Let's get building. So, this is my camper, if you haven't been here before. This is usually used as a bed, but I never, ever use it as a bed, so I'm turning it into a nice storage space. We're gonna get some measurements, and our box is going right back there. Now that I've got my measurements, I'm going to use my straight edge and my circular saw to cut my bigger piece of birch plywood that are going to form the top, sides, and back of my box. I clamped the straight edge down to guide my saw so I get a nice straight edge. Next, I'm going to jump over to my table saw and rip all of my face frame pieces at 1 1/4 inch thick. I'm also adding a frame around the top of the box so things can't slide off. Next, I'm going to cut all of my pieces to length. My box is 12 inches tall, 27 inches wide, and 40 inches deep. But you can make your box any size you want. Once I have all my pieces cut to length, I'm jumping over to my Kreg pocket hole joiner and I'll drill out all of my holes before we start assembling. Well, so now that I've got my top, sides, and bottom cut and my face frame cut, I'm also going to add a little edge so things don't fly off the shelf when I'm driving, because you know me, I drive crazy. So let's put this all together. To assemble the box, I'm using a 1/4 inch staple gun and 1 1/4 inch long staples. I'm also using wood glue on all of my joints to make sure this thing stays together over time. Use a wet rag to wipe off excess glue that comes out while you're nailing so you don't have to sand as much later. Once I have my box assembled, I'm going to jump over and put my face frame together. This will give the front a nice finished look. After that, I'll attach the top frame and that will act as a ledge to keep things from sliding off while I am driving my camper around. actually pretty pleased with how this turned out. What do you guys think? I think this will provide some much needed storage. Thank you guys so much for working in my wood shop with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any woodworking ideas for me or you want to see some fun content, hit me up in the DMs. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go put this in my camper now and see how it fits. Look at this. It fits perfectly. Oh, man. So much more room for activities. Look at that. All my specialty items up here. Oh.